I have asked a few times in the exercises to make a special color, the mint color of the FH Aachen, which has a certain RGB code. RGB stands for red, green, blue, and which is 0, 177, 172. So how can you make it? I can define, for example, this color as a background color for these marked cells. So I go on fill color, open up the menu. It's not shown here, the color I'm looking for, so I say more colors. And now I'm able to compose my colors of my own. There's two ways. Yeah, so it's RGB, there's other color modes, but I stick to RGB. So I can go and say it's 0 of red, it's 177 green, and it's 172 blue. And then if you say OK, you get the mint tone from FH Aachen. You can't read the characters anymore, so we change the characters as well to white. We can put it into the middle, and now we have what I wanted to have and what is often asked for. Going back into this color mode, more colors, then again I define it as 0, 177, 172. And what you see at the same time is that the hex code has changed. The hex code is just different type of numbering. It's not decimal numbers ranging from 0 to 9, but 16 numbers, hex numbers ranging from 0 to F. So if you know, or if I state it's OOB1FF, you can directly go in here as well, or OOB1AC, and you can say OOB1AC, and it's basically the same color.